na mahal kita. Thank you sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa amin ni Bugan. Sana mabuhay ka pa. Meron pa sa akin. Ate Lisel, I love you so much. Sorry kung inaaway kita lang walang dahil. Minsan inaaway kita lang walang dahilan. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Kiss na may tunog. Kiss na may tunog.
Birthday, Ate Lisel. Kahit masawag ka, mahal pa rin kita. Happy birthday, Ate Lisel. I love you. I love you. Birthday, Ate Lisel. Happy birthday, I love you. Happy birthday, Ate Lisel. Sana masaya ka. Happy birthday, Ate Lisel. Ang saya-saya nyo.
What the fuck?
Ate Lisel, happy birthday. Maraming salamat lagi sa libre. At sana supportahan mo kami lagi ni Faye. Thank you.
Diba? Happy birthday to you. Aroy, aroy. Happy birthday to you.
3 hours tayo. Ano daw? 3 hours tayo dito ha. Baka mamaya pag-intayin mo pa ako. Happy birthday ng Sel. Stay healthy and more money to come. More libres to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Lisel. Sana maging masaya kang ini ng mga bata. Maging masaya ka ngayon. Tsaka sa susunod na magmamahal sa'yo, sana di ka na niya saktan.
Happy birthday to you. Heke! Happy birthday. 23 ka na. At enjoy your life. Tingnan mo yung sorpresa ko sa'yo. Bubuksan ko. La 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 la. Boom!
Happy birthday. Hello. Alam mo ba? Birthday mo na. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sel. Ito yung greetings na alam kong kakaiba kasi walang twist. Pero yun, happy birthday and yun, thank you sa friendship na nabuo ko with you tsaka kay Shane and sana mas maging tumagal pa yung friendship na meron or nabuo nating tatlo. Yun lang, thank you din sa pagtanggap sa akin and thank you din sa pagiging malambing mo sa akin and yun lang, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is more opportunities, blessings to come and maging healthy lang kayong lahat pati ikaw and sana sa susunod na about sa mga decision making maging wise ka na and iwas ka na sa mga taong sasaktan ka lang. Yun lang naman. Happy birthday, Sel. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate. We love you and we miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me, to me. สงสารสิ้นดีเห็นพี่คร่ำครวญร้องไห้เพื่อนฝูงนี่น่าลาจรคนรักกัดร้อนจาก
Naghintay ka ba? Wala na. It's a prank. Charan!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Naijo, happy birthday. Pakasaya ka ngayong araw mo. Stay pretty and healthy. Mag-iingat ka palagi and enjoy mo yung araw mo. See you soon. Love you.